Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we'll be talking about Hurricane Larry, which is now weakening. I think yes, 120 miles an hour. They're still keeping this at 120 miles per hour. But now they don't have it forecasted to be a major hurricane as it moves up here. At this point, oh yeah, guys, let me know how the sound quality is, because I'm wearing my new Bluetooth earphones, so, just let me know how the sound quality is, Anyway, this is only going to be a quick, short video. Anywhere in this cone, it could travel, so it could travel outside of the cone, it could travel like that, it could go like that, it could go like this, or it could go like that. So yeah. Anywhere here it could go. And let's have a look at this little disturbance in the Atlantic, I see. Well, it's still a 0% chance of formation in the next 5 days, but actually it's kind of looking quite good on satellite imagery. Because it's getting itself organized together, and it's rapid. I don't know if it's rapidly organizing, but if it is by any chance rapidly intensifying, no, not rapidly intensifying. I know that this system here won't intensify that much, because it's still gone exposed low as it somewhat travels north like that over Florida. Now, if this does become a tropical storm, this will become tropical Florida's second tropical storm. And you guys do not want another tropical storm after, all that, after Elsa and all that. And especially Ida, because Ida did make Florida have some rain. Oh, sorry about that, guys. So in the Eastern Pacific right now, they have actually marked an area of low pressure here. 10% chance. Well, I don't think it's going to form, to be honest with you. But they have actually got an 80% chance on this disturbance right now. And if this does form, this will become tropical storm, maybe Hurricane Olaf. Yes, from Frozen. Don't ask me why. We had Anna and Elsa in the Atlantic, and now we're gonna get Olaf in the Pacific. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just drinking my cup of tea. I know, upstairs. So anyway, tropical storm Conson has formed in the Westpac, which is very good indeed, because you got tropical storm 19W now and tropical storm Conson right now. So 19W. It is actually meant to be a typhoon. 95 knots, though, this one is meant to be. And, Conson is meant to be also a typhoon. But actually, they are not really going with a strong peak like they were. I don't know why, but they're not going with a strong peak. So, yeah, I'll show you the models, and I'm gonna have to end the video here, guys. I'm sorry if I didn't talk much, because I was drinking my cup of tea and I am playing my game right now on my PlayStation. So, if you guys, like me to start a gaming channel, just let me know in the comments down below. If it's to say yes, GC for gaming channel, and then put no for GC, and see how many votes you get. Actually, by the 12th of September, you do kind of get over a tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico. It may be weak, but and then the system after that, hopefully, yes, the system after that heads towards Florida on the East Coast. That's okay then, that's good. And then nothing really forms after that. HWRF, what are they saying for Constant right now? Wow, they are saying 951 millibars for Hainan, and this is on Saturday the 11th of September. Saturday the 11th of September. Yep, September. This month. And that is only a week away. So, if I am correct, if this actually does come true, HWRF wants a very strong system out of this storm. GFS wants also a strong system out of the storm, and so does the ECWF, which is the European model, also wants a strong storm out of Conson. So if you live anywhere near, Hong Kong, Hainan, and all these places here, and here, and here, just be prepared for the storm. It may not happen, we don't know, but it could come true. So, yeah, anyway, I'll show you the satellite imagery. Oh, Invest 96E looks kind of good. Hurricane Larry, right now, its eye has fully gone through the eye wall replacement cycle now, which means on the latest frames, it should start to blow up convection again. Just needs to clear out its eye wall. But yeah, you can see a lot of wind shears now indicating on this system. So yeah, still looks good though. Still got those outer bands, and you still got that tropical. You still got those tropical cyclone force winds. So, and you still got the tropical cyclone spin in the atmosphere. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I should see you all in the next video. Peace and have a great day. And goodbye.